Stellantis is back with some massive news for their heavy-duty lineup, and trust us, it's worth the hype. The 2025 Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks are gearing up to crush the competition with bold new upgrades. We're talking about refined powertrains, a fresh chassis, and jaw-dropping interior upgrades that scream luxury and performance. But here's the real game changer. Stellantis is teaming up with Cummins to deliver a brand new engine lineup that's set to replace the aging HEMI V8. And that's just the beginning. Ready to dive in? Let's break down the 5 reasons why the 2025 Ram HD is the heavy-duty truck you've been waiting for. Number 1. Kicking in with the upgraded powertrains. Stellantis is turning up the heat with bold new powertrain updates for the 2025 Ram HD trucks. First up, Ram says goodbye to the outdated shifting for the new ZF 8-speed Powerline automatic. This transmission promises smoother gear changes, better towing performance, and improved responsiveness. The 6.7-liter Cummins diesel inline-6 is getting a major revamp. Previously split into 2 versions, standard output at 370 horsepower and 850 pound-feet of torque, and high output 400 horsepower, 1,075 pound-feet of torque. The 2025 model simplifies things with a single, more powerful option across the lineup. While Stellantis hasn't dropped the exact numbers, expect something close to 450 horsepower and 1,100-plus foot-pound of torque, ensuring the Ram HD remains a heavyweight contender against Ford's Power Stroke and GM's Duramax. But don't worry, the trusty 6.4-liter HEMI V8 isn't going anywhere. Delivering 410 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque, this engine pairs with the new 8-speed transmission to handle tough jobs with ease. It's also the exclusive powertrain for the Power Wagon, built for off-road thrill seekers. But here's the kicker. Cummins is debuting a 6.7-liter gasoline engine to replace the HEMI in future models. Borrowing from their legendary diesel platform, this engine promises diesel-like performance in a gas-powered package. It's simpler to maintain, more reliable, and eliminates the need for DEF or regeneration systems. Why it matters? Heavy-duty trucks are all about power, and the 2025 Ram HD delivers it in spades. With smoother shifts, more muscle under the hood, and innovative new options, this lineup is designed to tackle any challenge. Next up is the increased number 2, towing and payload numbers. That means more business. The Ram 2500 is expected to lead the charge with a towing capacity of up to 22,500 pounds, far surpassing its current capabilities. Meanwhile, the Ram 3500 is gearing up to challenge Ford's industry-leading 40,000-pound towing capacity, putting Ram squarely back in the conversation for best-in-class towing performance. Here's a quick breakdown of towing capabilities across the lineup. Gasoline engine, 2-wheel drive tradesman regular cab, 17,740 pounds. Most V8 models over 14,000 pounds. Diesel engine, rear drive crew cab, 20,000 pounds. Most diesel models over 19,000 pounds. Whether it's a boat, a travel trailer, or a horse trailer, the Cummins diesel engine ensures effortless towing. For those with lighter demands, a 6.4-liter V8 gasoline engine offers plenty of muscle at a more affordable price. Ram is also making waves in the payload department, aiming to outmatch Ford's 8,000-pound limit. With a focus on durability and strength, the tradesman regular cab 6.4-liter V8 can haul up to 4,000 pounds, making it a solid choice for moving substantial cargo with ease. Modern truck owners expect more than just towing and hauling. They need functionality for every aspect of their work and play. That's why Stellantis is adding onboard power systems to the 2025 Ram HD lineup, following the footsteps of the Ram 1500. With optional 2-kilowatt inverters, you can power everything from tools and lights to appliances and electronics, whether you're at the job site or enjoying a weekend camping trip. Why it matters? The 2025 Ram HD lineup is redefining what it means to be a heavy-duty workhorse. With impressive towing capacities, competitive payload ratings, and cutting-edge onboard power systems, these trucks are ready to tackle any challenge. Moving on, number 3, the 2025 Ram HD lineup isn't just about brute strength. It's also about treating passengers to a premium experience. These trucks are packed with features that combine cutting-edge technology, high-end materials, and thoughtful design to deliver a cabin that feels more like first class than a heavy-duty workhorse. Ram is doubling down on technology with an impressive overhaul of its infotainment systems. Here's what's new. The outdated 5-inch screen? Gone. Now base models get a standard 8.4-inch display for easy control of truck features. Mid-range trims now feature the 12-inch Uconnect 5 system, previously reserved for the highest-end models. For top-tier trims, Ram is introducing a stunning 14.5-inch screen, offering seamless integration with advanced features. Adding a touch of modern convenience, a passenger-side screen is now available, enhancing usability for co-pilots. Ram also understands that heavy duty doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. The 2025 Ram HD interiors feature genuine leather, real wood, and aluminum accents on higher trims, giving the cabin a premium polished feel. An optional 900-watt 17-speaker Harman Kardon sound system that transforms your truck into a mobile concert hall. Configurations to fit your needs. Choose from a regular cab, crew cab, or the spacious mega cab, which boasts the largest rear seating area in its class, complete with under-seat storage. Ram is focused on making long drives or work days as comfortable as possible. A flat-load floor ensures maximum functionality and easy access to storage. An air filtration system keeps the cabin clean and fresh no matter the conditions outside. The cabin is designed for a quiet ride with minimal noise intrusion, even with the rumble of the Cummins diesel engine under the hood. Number 4. While the 2025 Ram HD trucks may not be undergoing a radical redesign, but the updates they're receiving are sleek, purposeful, and enough to grab attention. Drawing inspiration from the Ram 1500, the 2025 HD lineup refines its already rugged aesthetic, making it bolder and more polished than ever before. The front of the 2025 Ram HD lineup is getting a stylish upgrade that ensures a commanding presence on the road. The sleeker, redesigned grille combines boldness and sophistication, giving the truck a modern yet aggressive edge. The new slim and angular headlights providing a cutting-edge look that's as functional as it is striking, and this streamlined bumper provides a cleaner, more minimalist bumper design ties the whole front end together, adding a touch of elegance to its tough persona. The updates continue at the rear with design tweaks that balance rugged utility and modern aesthetics. New taillights are slimmer, more contemporary, bringing a modern vibe to the rear profile, and the revamped tailgate and bumper create a cohesive look that mirrors the truck's refined yet powerful front-end styling. While these changes aren't as dramatic as some competitors' facelifts, they don't need to be. Ram's heavy-duty trucks are already among the best-looking in the segment, and these updates ensure they maintain their edge. From the sleeker grille to the sharper lighting elements, the 2025 Ram HD lineup strikes a perfect balance between ruggedness and refinement. These trucks are built to turn heads and do it with understated confidence. For drivers who want a heavy-duty truck that works hard while looking sharp, the 2025 Ram HD proves you can have it all. Now let's face it, number 5, Ram's heavy-duty trucks have been overdue for a chassis update, and Stellantis knows it's time to step up. The 2025 Ram HD lineup is finally getting the upgrade it deserves, with a revamped chassis designed to deliver more strength, stability, and capability than ever before. At the core of this design are thicker steel frame rails engineered to handle the demands of heavy-duty towing and hauling. These reinforced components add durability and ensure that the 2025 Ram HD trucks can confidently manage higher payloads and towing capacities, keeping them competitive in the ever-intensifying heavy-duty segment. Stellantis isn't just stopping at making the chassis tougher, it's making it smarter. The 2025 Ram HD models will feature a longer wheelbase, giving these trucks better stability when hauling massive loads. This brings Ram in line with competitors like Ford and GM, whose short bed models already enjoy a 6-inch advantage in length. The extra inch provides more balance and control, especially during towing, making the Ram HD lineup feel more planted and secure on the road. This chassis update isn't solely about brute strength. Ram's goal is to deliver a truck that's not only durable, but also refined in its drivability. With this new platform, the 2025 Ram HD models will feel more responsive and easier to handle, ensuring they don't just dominate in towing and payload numbers, but also in driver satisfaction. With this much-needed chassis upgrade, Ram is positioning itself to reclaim its spot at the top of the heavy-duty arena. By combining unmatched durability with improved drivability, the 2025 Ram HD trucks are set to challenge the best offerings from Ford and GM, proving once again why Ram is a leader in the truck wars. Hoping we stand strong, is that why the 2025 Ram HD is worth the wait? The 2025 Ram HD lineup isn't just keeping pace with the competition, it's redefining what it means to be a heavy-duty truck. From revolutionary powertrains and class-leading towing capabilities, to a long-awaited chassis upgrade and interiors that rival luxury vehicles, Stellantis is making a bold statement. These trucks are built to dominate every category. The combination of unmatched strength, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort positions the 2025 Ram HD as a game-changer. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, navigating demanding terrains, or simply seeking a truck that works as hard as you do, the 2025 models are designed to deliver on every front. If you're considering an upgrade, waiting for the 2025 Ram HD lineup might just be the smartest move you make. With Stellantis' track record of innovation, the best is yet to come. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting release, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest news on Ram's heavy-duty revolution. The road ahead is looking stronger than ever. See you in the next video.